Today, Mike and I are harvesting bottled brush squirrel grass. The squirrel grass is really awesome because it has two distinct features that make it an exceptional, interesting plant. The first is that it's drought resistant. It uses substantially less water than regular grass. And so you can plant it in a field and not water it as much all through the summer. It'll sustain itself just fine.
Okay, the seed that we're harvesting that's going to be used isn't for what you're saying. The seed that we're harvesting is going to be used.
Farmers don't just grow crops for food on your table, they also grow crops for seeds. And some of the seeds may indeed end up on a farm that we're harvesting today.
Going to be used is going to be used to grow a field. So the field could produce mass amounts more of it, so it could be used in a reclamation process.
Okay.
But everything else is correct. But all we're doing is they're just gathering for a BLM grow out. We come out here where the BLM wants specific grass from a specific area from a specific zone. It's all detailed in the maps. So we got to come out, pick it, then it goes to the farmer. Then the farmer grows it out so they can get mass amounts to be put out wherever. We just got to get the right seed at the right seed zone, the right elevations.
Wow. It's a beautiful view. And the second amazing thing is it can compete with cheatgrass. So if you have an area that's overtaken by cheatgrass, the squirrel grass can compete and do wonderfully in that area. It does something to the cheatgrass to make the cheatgrass less prominent in the area.
Ain't really much on here. Wind's not supposed to do it.
Slow motion here. Let me see your bucket. All right. Thank you, baby. Anything you want to add? All right. I'm going to go get my bucket and work. So I did mention the cheatgrass. This is the cheatgrass. It's the horrible things that poke into everything when you walk through it, that gets in your socks when you're walking through it. And the squirrel grass, see if I can find, Mike finds them so much easier than I do. Okay, so there's one right there. Squirrel grass. It's in a feed of cheatgrass. See how it has squirrels? Apparently it's like it rolls and then digs into places, probably like needle and thread. Isn't that crazy? Well, guess it's squirrely. Squirrel, 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 squirrel. Some things are a lot of fun to harvest. This not so much. It bounces out. It's a pain. I don't know. There's the squirrel grass and there's the cheatgrass. I guess there's less around it. The biologist says it competes and kicks the squirrel grass out of the cheatgrass. I guess. It's a natural drill. When it gets wet, it goes. We'll do a literature. Wave to the people. All right.